Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss MGC. So for today, we're going to have another exciting program about function. Okay? So today, I'm going to teach you how to put an element inside a one-dimensional array using a function. Okay? So let's start. Okay. Or I'm going to declare one-dimensional array. Okay? So the name of the one-dimensional array is num. And then I will set it to 5 elements. Okay? And then the elements are 85, 97. Sorry for that. Okay, then we have 74, 89, and let's have 86. Okay? Now, so meaning these are the elements of my array num. And then, let me have variable x. Because I will need to display the elements of this array. Okay, and then I'll use, since this is only one-dimensional array, gagamit lang po ako ng single for loop or one for loop. Okay, so I will use the value of x, or I will use variable x, tapos initial value niya is 0. Kasi 'di ba, sabi natin, ang array natin, yung default index value ng array, it always starts with 0. Tapos, I will set here x is less than 5 kasi we have here 5 elements or 5 numbers. Okay, and then we have to increment it by 1. Okay? So, after that, so ano gusto ko i-display? Of course, i-display ko yung elements ng array ko. Okay? Siguro, try natin, guys. So, check. Okay? So, if you notice, the array elements are 85, 97, 74, 89, and 86. Okay. Now, for me to easily identify yung mga index values, I will add something here. Okay, add ako ng another variable or another format specifier, %e. So, enclose ko lang siya in a square bracket. Bigyan ko siya na ganyan. And then, since nag-add ako ng another %d, I will add another variable here. So, I will have x. Okay? Okay? So, nakaganito siya. Okay, so siguro, lagyan ko siya ng \n here para mas maganda siya tingnan. There. Okay, so ganyan yung magiging value ng ating element. Okay. Now, this time, what we're going to add here is mag-add daw tayo ng, from the existing array, mag-add daw tayo ng elements. Okay? So, printf, tapos we have scanf. So, gamit tayo ng, or add tayo ng isang variable. So, I have here variable ins, short for insert. Okay, ampersand ins. Okay? And then, we have to also identify ano yung position. Lagay ko dito, this is pos or shortcut for position. So, variable pos. Okay? So, try natin, guys. Okay. So, I forgot to... Yan. Okay, so example, we have 86, we have 90. Okay, then we have 4. So, meaning dapat pa-insert siya dito. Okay. Now, ngayon, I've mentioned, gagamit na tayo ngayon ng function. Okay, so mag-add tayo ng function in order for us to do this. Okay, itong portion na to. Okay. But before that, of course, we need to call our function. Gawa muna tayo ng function. Now, I'm going to have the function definition on top. Okay. So, gagamit ako ng function. So, I have void. So, here, the name of the function that I'm going to do is insert. Okay? So, that's the name of the function. And then, I will need different parameters. Okay? Of course, kailangan ko si array. Kailangan ko to. Kasi, ito yung kailangan kong gamitin to identify saan ko siya insert. Or, from what is the source. Okay? So, kailangan ko si array. So, I have here int r. So, this is the name of my array. And then, of course, kailangan ko po ng ito. Kailangan ko to. Okay? Kailangan ko to para ito yung i-call ko na mag-a-add dun sa function natin. Okay? So, lagay natin ins. So, gamitin ko na rin ins. Int. Okay. Or we have new na lang. Okay? And then, we have here the position. So, kailangan ko rin ng position. So, gamit ako ng int location or loc. So, pagdating dito, call ko rin siya. So, kailangan kong i-call yung aking function. So, pangalan ng function ko is insert. So, insert. So, of course, I need the array. Yung array natin, I need that. Kailangan ko, of course, si ins. Okay. And, of course, kailangan ko si position. So, yung element na insert ko, at saka kung saan position ko siya ilalagay, kailangan ko siyang ibigay dito kay function insert. Okay. So, punta na tayo dito kay function insert. So, sa loob ng function insert, of course, kailangan ko mag-declare din ng panibagong variable. So, I need to declare variable I. Okay? Para saan si variable I? So, siya po yung gagamitin ko para ma-display ko yung elements ng array ko. So, we have 4. So, I is equals to, so we all know na dito sa main function mo, 5 yung array mo or 5 yung elements mo, set mo na rin siya na 5 dito. Okay? And then, I should be greater than the location. Okay? So, ito. Bakit mo kailangan yung value ng I dapat mas malaki sa location? Kasi nga, di ba, mag-i-insert ka. So, kung meron kang, example, meron kang 85, 93, and 74, example. So, these are, for example, 3 elements to di ba? So, 3 elements. So, example, lagay mo dito 3. Okay. Ngayon, kailangan yung location niya mas malaki dito. Okay? Okay. So, bakit? Kasi po, once na mag-add ako ng panibagong number, mag-add ako ng 89, so mag-a-adjust na yung size ng elements ko. Okay? Nakukuha po. So mag-a-adjust siya. Automatic. Okay? So, dapat mas malaki yan. And then, okay, and then, ito kasi, for example, di ba, nilagay ko 4. Okay, so, dun siya magbe-base. Okay? Next one, so, since nag-start ako ng malaking number, so, dapat po, ano siya, magde-decrement yung value, pababa. Okay? So, and then, ang next natin, of course, we have to input na yung ating array. Okay, so, array, index I. Okay, so since naglagay ako dito, okay, di ba nag-add tayo dito ng 3 or initial value natin is 3, you have to specify ano po yung laman ng bawat elements natin or bawat index. So, mag-start siya 3, 2, 1, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, that is array index I minus 1. Okay? So, ang magiging bagong value daw nung array index I mo is array index I minus 1. Okay? Bakit I index 1? Kasi nga, di ba, na-mention natin na kung meron kang 3 elements, 85, 67, 90, okay, ang elements, ang index mo is 0, 1, and 2. Okay? So, dapat magma-minus ka ng 1. Okay? Para ma-apply mo po ito. Okay. Next one, we have here, so, ang susunod natin, so, let's try to, okay, check this one. Okay. And then, we have to also consider yung location. So, array loc is equals to, okay, so, meaning, for this one, after natin ito gawin, later on siguro we will do the simulation para maintindihan po natin siya. Okay, so gamit na lang siguro tayo ng small numbers. So, palitan ko na lang siguro to para we could easily insert elements. Ayan. Okay, so ito, I should have this 3. Okay, ayan. Okay, para mas madali tayong mag-simulate later. Okay, so for this one, we have here array location, okay, is equals to new. So, ibig sabihin, di ba nag-add tayo ng position dito? So, yung magiging value ng position, yun na po yung magiging bagong number na insert natin. Okay? And then, what we have here, so, add tayo dito. So, we have printf. So, since nag-insert na tayo ng panibago, ito na daw yung mga elements. Okay? So, obviously, gagamit pa rin tayo ng for loop. So, there you go. Okay, try muna natin siyang simulate. So, let's do the simulation. So, dito lang sa part na to. Okay, so example, copyhin ko lang to. Okay, di ba, dinisplay natin to kanina. So, let me have this one. Para lang mapakita ko sa inyo. Tanggalin muna natin to. Also, this one. Okay. So, di ba, we have this. Yan. So, 85, 97, and 74. Okay, so maglalagay tayo example ng 90. Lalagay ko siya sa index 1. Okay, so dapat itong 97, mag-move yan. Okay, kasi papalitan na siya ni 1. Ni 90 rather. Okay, so ngayon, kung babalik tayo dito, if you will look at here, we'll do the simulation here. Balik tayo dito. Okay. So, if you will look at here, yung tatlo kong elements, so 85, 97, and 74. Yan. Okay, so index 0, index 1, and index 2. Okay. So, sabi natin, yung array index R, ito yung array natin, or ito, si R, ito yung array. Si new, ito po yung bagong element na insert natin. Okay, tapos itong si lock, ito si position. So, lagay ko lang, si num is equals dun kay array. Yan. Tapos si ins, ito si new. Tapos si pos, ito si lock. Okay, or location. So, yan yung ating elements. Okay, now, so, sabi dito, so we'll do the simulation here. Sorry, close ko lang to. Lagay natin siya dito sa ilalim. Okay. So, ang sabi natin, we have here, okay, so ang value daw ng I is equals to 3. Okay, tapos we have here, ang location natin, lagay natin dito. So, we have here, ang i-insert natin, so yung value ni ins or ni new. So, ins equals to new equals based here, lagay natin 90. So, sabi ko 90 insert natin. Tapos, si pos or si location natin is equals to 1. Yan. Okay? So, we're ready. So, we have here, I daw is equals to 3. Yung I daw ba is greater than lock. Okay, so yung 3 daw ba greater than 1? That is true. So, since true, gagawin niya to. So, we have here, array index 3 is equals to, ang value daw ni array index 3 is array index 3 minus 1. Okay? So, ano po yung value ni array index 3 minus 1? So, this is, so ito magiging 2 na po siya. So, array index 2. So, nasan dito si array index 2? So, that is 74. Okay? Nakuha po. So, 74 siya kasi nag-minus lang ako dito. 3 minus 1. Okay, so that is 74. Okay, after that, okay, so decrement yung value ng I. So, si I magiging 2. Okay, test again natin yung condition. So, we have 3 is greater than 2. This is true. So, automatically, we will display this one. So, we will have here yung magiging value nung array, okay, index. So, i-display natin to array index 3, or 2 rather. Okay. So, magiging value niya is 2. So, 0, 1, and 2. So, this is the value. Array index 2 is equivalent to So, balik tayo dito. Sorry. So, ang magiging value ni array index 2 is array index 2 minus 1. So, this is index 1. So, 0 and 1. So, this is 97. Okay. And then, decrement ulit yung value ni I. So, si I magiging 1. Is 1 greater than 1? Okay. So, we have here is 1 greater than 1. This is false. So, stop na po tayo. Okay? So, now, ang magiging value ni array index lock. So, di ba, alam natin, ang value ni lock is equivalent to 1. So, ito magiging array index, okay, lock is equals to the value ni new, which is 90. Okay? And then, we have here, printf. Okay, so the new elements are, okay, ang value na natin, so si array, magsa-start tayo sa 3, so which is, this is 74, 97, 90, tapos yung index 1 natin, so we have 80, or index 0 rather, we have 85. Okay, so we'll try to input, try natin na input itong values na to. So, 85, 97, and 74. Remove ko lang muna to. So, we have index, so 90, and then 1. So, we have the new elements are, okay, I think we need to adjust this to 1. Okay, we'll try. So, insert tayo na 90. So, lagay ko siya sa index 1. So, the new elements are 85. Gawin natin to plus 1. Okay? Kasi nga, nag-add tayo ng panibagong element. Okay, so, we have 90. Then, index 1. So, we have 87, 90, and 74. Now, if you want to change this one, so, pwede nating palitan %d para mas makita lang. So, 90 and 1. So, the new elements are 85, 90, 97, and 74. Okay? So, I hope you learned something again, okay, regarding the insertion or inserting of new elements and identifying the position using a function. So, again, thank you so much for listening and hope to see you again, guys, here in my channel, Miss MGC. Bye-bye!